Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart water sensors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ruicoring Wi-Fi Water Leak Detectors 5-pack. This kit is equipped with 5 water sensors and a hub, making it ideal for larger homes or spaces with multiple high-risk areas. The dual-sensor precision design features top probes for dripping water and bottom probes for pooling water detection, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The sensors send instant leak alerts to your phone via the Tuya Smart app, so you can stay informed even when away from home. The loud 120 dB alarm, adjustable in 4 levels, guarantees you won't miss a notification. Design-wise, these sensors are compact and user-friendly, featuring a test button and low battery alerts for hassle-free maintenance. The IP66 waterproof rating ensures functionality even in humid areas like bathrooms or basements. With the ability to connect up to 24 sensors to the hub, this system is highly scalable for larger properties. That said, it's limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, which could be a drawback for users with 5 GHz setups. While the Ruicoring system provides solid performance, its subscription-based SMS, phone, and email alerts may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, the free app notifications are a great alternative. This product is perfect for homeowners who need multi-zone coverage and value high-sensitivity detection. Pros include wide coverage, reliable alerts, and customizable settings, while cons are the subscription fees and reliance on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. At number 4, we have the Stechro Smart Water Leak Detectors. This kit includes 4 sensors and a W13 gateway that supports up to 24 sensors, making it a scalable option for medium-sized homes. The sensors feature both bottom flood probes and top drip sensors to detect leaks from multiple sources. Alerts are sent via the Tuya app, which boasts a feature-rich interface that allows for sensor customization, ringtone selection, and leak history tracking. The adjustable 120 dB alarm ensures you can hear it even in noisy environments. The Stechro sensors are lightweight and easy to install, with a low-power design that offers up to 3 years of battery life. Their IP66 waterproof rating makes them suitable for areas prone to high humidity, such as laundry rooms or kitchens. However, like the Ruicoring model, this system only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. And the SMS, phone, email notification features require a subscription fee, which may not appeal to all users. This product is a great fit for users who prioritize app functionality and versatile placement options. Pros include customizable settings, a loud adjustable alarm, and durable design, while cons are the subscription fees and limited Wi-Fi compatibility. Overall, the Stechro detectors offer excellent value for mid-range homes that need reliable leak detection. Coming in at number 3, we have the Govee Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector 3-packs. This set includes 3 sensors and a Wi-Fi gateway with support for up to 10 sensors, making it a flexible option for small to medium-sized homes. The sensors feature dual probes for drip and leak detection, and you can easily name each sensor in the app to pinpoint the location of the leak. Notifications are sent via email, app alerts, and a 100 dB adjustable alarm, ensuring you're always aware of potential water damage. The design of the Govee sensors is compact and user-friendly, with 3 volume levels for the alarm and a convenient root button. They are battery-powered, and the included AAA batteries offer decent longevity. However, the system is limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which could be a drawback for users with more modern networks. Additionally, the alarm is not as loud as some competitors, making it less suitable for very noisy environments. The Govee detectors are ideal for homeowners seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. Pros include real-time alerts, easy sensor naming, and adjustable volume, while cons are the limited Wi-Fi compatibility and less robust alarm volume. Overall, this is a solid choice for users who need reliable leak detection at a reasonable price. At number 2, we have the YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit. This kit includes a hub and 4 water leak sensors, making it an excellent choice for homeowners looking to protect multiple areas of their property. What sets YoLink apart is its use of LoRa technology, which offers an impressive open-air range of up to 1/4 mile. This makes it ideal for large homes, detached garages, or even remote outbuildings. The system sends notifications via SMS, email, and app alerts, and is compatible with Alexa, IFTTT, and Home Assistant for seamless integration into your smart home. The sensors are easy to install and require minimal maintenance, with battery life lasting up to 3 years. While the design is functional, it's worth noting that the system requires the YoLink hub for operation and does not connect directly to Wi-Fi. This could be a disadvantage for users without an available Ethernet port or those looking for standalone sensors without a hub. YoLink is perfect for users seeking long-range coverage and smart home compatibility. Pros include exceptional range, versatility, and reliable notifications, while cons are the reliance on a hub and lack of direct Wi-Fi connectivity. If you're looking for a robust, scalable system for a larger property, YoLink is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the XSense Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector Kit. This kit includes 4 ultra-sensitive water sensors and a base station, offering comprehensive protection for your home. The sensors feature top and bottom probes that can detect water as shallow as 0.4 millimeters, making them ideal for detecting leaks in areas like basements, laundry rooms, and bathrooms. Notifications are sent through the XSense app, which allows you to adjust alarm volume, mute alerts, and view your alarm history. The base station emits a loud 100 decibel alarm, ensuring you're aware of leaks even from a distance. The design of the XSense sensors is sleek and compact, making them easy to place in tight spaces. With a wireless connection range of up to 1,700 feet, the system offers excellent coverage for large homes. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in humid areas, and the batteries last up to 3 years, with low battery alerts to keep you prepared. However, the system is limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which may not suit users with 5 GHz networks. The XSense kit is perfect for homeowners who want a reliable, feature-rich, and easy-to-use water detection system. Pros include high sensitivity, long connection range, and robust app functionality, while cons are limited Wi-Fi compatibility and reliance on the base station for alarms. Overall, XSense is the best choice for comprehensive water leak protection at a competitive price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.